let's start the day with a good somtam lunch. Hello, what is the name of the store? Sepaje.
Yeah, good.
So what is the meaning of sepaje?
So very hot, very spicy. And
Okay. Oh, that's like when you eat it, that's how you feel. Oh, I'm scared now. Oh, that's papaya.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So sep is delicious in Isan language, right? Sawasdee krap. มีส้มตำไทยไหมครับ กินที่นี่โอเคไหมครับ วิดีโอโอเคไหมครับ
Okay.
มีข้าวเหนียวไหมครับ
ข้าวเหนียวเดี๋ยวไปเห็นรถแดงไหมไม่ได้จะให้น้องซื้อให้โอเคไหม
โอเคครับเผ็ด
นิดหน่อย
เผ็ดนิดหน่อยครับ So sabi ni ate, wala daw silang sticky rice. Bet na bet ko pa naman yung sticky rice. Kaya itinuho na lang nila ako dito where I can buy sticky rice daw. Bili na rin ako ng chicken. Sawasdee krap. มีข้าวเหนียวไหมครับวิดีโอโอเคไหมครับ ข้าวเหนียว2ครับและอันนี้ไก่ทอดใช่ไหมครับ40โอเคครับ2ครับWow, garlic. That's garlic, yo. Hala, hindi ko na pabalik na ako. Sana abutin ko yung yung somtam para ma-video ko habang ginagawa. Okay, go. Sugar.
Okay.
Tomatoes.
Tomato and
Tomatoes ภาษาไทยอะไรนะครับ
มะเขือเทศ
มะเขือเทศ
Yeah.
Okay. Lime.
มะนาว
มะนาว
Yeah.
นี่คืออะไรครับ
Then tamarind. Yeah. Fish sauce. Yeah.
Papaya. Wow! Green and yellow papaya.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Very nice. Tapos yung chicken natin. Really crunchy chicken. And meron tayong garlic over here. Ayan, there you go. So it comes with this sauce. Lagay mo dun sa chicken. So nagsimula na akong kumain kanina. Akala ko nagre-record na yung camera. Hindi pa pala. So react ako ng react. Hindi naman pala siya nare-record. So ayoko namang i-fake yung reaction ko. So describe ko na lang ulit yung experience. So when I first tasted it, ang una kong nalasahan is yung tamis. Just the way I like it. Gusto ko yung matamis na somtang. Kaya ito yung in-order ko specifically. So you will see, merong green and yellow papaya. So that's a very nice combination. Let's try it again. Yeah, yung tamis, yung asim, at saka yung alat. Tamang-tama lang talaga yung balance niya. And then it's nutty. There's nuttiness because of peanuts. Let's try it with tomatoes. It's good. I love it. It's not too spicy. Siguro nga kasi sabi ko not too spicy. Medyo natakot ako baka mamaya hindi ko masyadong makain. Tapos kanina pinakita niya sa atin yung sauce. She makes her own sauce from fish. Na video naman natin yan kanina. It's really good. It is. Sticky rice. This is a good partner of ito sometimes usually they dip nila dito sa may juice like that para ma-absorb niya yung yung juice and eat it like that. It's really good. Or sometimes so, nagkakalangaw na. Sign na malapit na yung summer. Medyo umiinit na nga eh. Again, sticky rice. Dip it here. Baka magkaroon ng konting juice. Or more if you like. Sarap. Yung nuttiness talaga ng peanuts. It's really good. It adds to the texture of the food. At that gives you a better eating experience. Probably the best somtam here. When they serve somtam, it always comes with this. Fresh na fresh. You're just supposed to do this. Tapos, isasama mo siya sa somtam experience mo. Just like that, dip mo rin dito. Baka magka-juice ng konti. That is crunchy. Tapos, chase mo lang ng somtam ulit. Matamis yung gulay, ha? I think that's a good thing. Matamis because fresh. Tsaka medyo may parang wasabi taste. I don't know why. Yung tinatawag na bomb. That's the bomb. Kasi parang sumabog sa yung pag nakagat mo yung buto ng sili. Hindi ko to dito binili. But it's something that I bought kung saan ko binili yung kauniaw or yung sticky rice. Nabili ko din sa binili ko ng sticky rice. Maumami siya. I would add more salt to enhance the flavor. Oh, that one was nice. Yung fatty part niya nakagato. So parang biglang sumabog yung flavor. Comes with this sauce. Ooh. Oh, by the way, listen. Namatay na siya bigla. Anyway, what I was trying to say is, again, listen. So, English yung pinapatunog nila. I noticed that every time I go to a restaurant, obviously I'm a foreigner. Whatever they are playing, stop nila yon, tapos magpe-play sila ng something in English language. Yeah, I appreciate that. Probably they're thinking na I would probably want to listen to something I understand. But really, I don't mind. I mean, I appreciate the gesture, and I love this music too. Pero I'm also here to experience the culture, the food, and also the music they listen to. So I don't really mind. Actually, I would love it better if I would probably love it better if they will not change the music. Para ma-experience ko talaga yung like how they are every day. So much better with it. Medyo sweet, salty, sour siya, so it adds to the flavor of the chicken. Medyo nakakajahe because nag-vlog ako, kumakain ako, tapos yung mga estudyante ko nasa kabilang table. So if you remember, binigyan tayo ng garlic nung nagtitinda ng chicken kanina. This is another good combination dito. Garlic, tapos sticky rice. They eat a lot of sticky rice here. And one big bite goes like this. Yeah. So, tapos na yung lunch natin. Didiretso na tayo sa palengke. And would you believe, 40 bahts lang yung kinain ko na yon. Ang dami niya. Now, I'm not sure kung dinagdagan niya lang yung papaya or ganun lang talaga kadami yung serving every time. Pero ang dami na.